Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video we're gonna see how to install, configure your Nomad eSIM uh, for your travel related purposes. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. So guys, nowadays a lot of people do international travel, and whenever you go to a country, a different country, the first concern many have is about the connectivity, because like Wi-Fi points are available everywhere, but you cannot just rely on them, right? You need something that walks with you. So like eSIMs are becoming popular because many times getting a local SIM may not give you instant connectivity because it may take some time and verification based on the country you are traveling in. Okay, so that's why eSIMs are becoming very popular. So we are going to see how to install and configure this Nomad eSIM, which is really popular nowadays. So what you have to do is like to go to your Play Store and download, search for Nomad eSIM, install the app. When you open, you are going to see this. So on the main page you will have like home, at the bottom if you see, uh, manage, okay, and then finally they'll like there's one more, and you have profile, okay. All right, so what I would suggest, like first thing you do is to sign in so that everything you do stays with you. So you can sign up with email, okay, or you can continue with Google or Facebook account. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, perfect. Now on the home page you may see offers like you are seeing now, but these things vary. Okay, right now it's a holiday season, so you are seeing like 200 500 MB of trial eSIM in 48 destination. This is really good, like available, but yeah, not all destinations are included here. But yeah, India is there, so this is really good. I can redeem. Okay, but anyway, what you're gonna do in general, like you will come here and you will search for the country. Okay, uh, on the main page you see single country, regional. So it depends how you are traveling. So let's say you're traveling to India, you will search for India. Okay, click on, tap on it. So these are the packages. Okay, this is the currency that you can select. Okay, and they also tell you the network. So based on the duration you are going to stay, you can select one. Plan details, you can see this is data only one. Wow, and then you can check out. So the data will not expire based on the installation, but data will expire based on the usage. Okay, that's good thing. So you need to click on I understand. It has to be unlocked. Okay, and you can pay the payment and then it will work for you. And that's it guys, and then once you go to India, it will start working for you. So that's how simple it is guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.